Hello everyone, this is Katrina, and today I'm going to show you how to install a URL Shortener extension in Google Chrome. The purpose of the URL Shortener is to, number one, relieve some of your stress when you're sharing websites with your students, and so they can find the website you're giving them much quicker and with less characters. And two is to help with efficiency, just kind of make the pace of your class go a little bit faster. Rather than typing in a 30 character URL, you're going to type in one that's less than 12 characters. So first things first is you need to make sure you're working in Google Chrome. Go to the Chrome browser. It should be on your desktop as well. If you're using Internet Explorer or if you are using Firefox, the extensions are not going to work as well. And Google is happiest in Chrome. So please start breaking those old habits and using Chrome as your default web browser. So when you're working in Google Chrome, you'll notice that you have internet windows. They're called tabs up here at the top. You can have as many as you like, but you need a new tab if you don't know how to create one. It's very simple. You just go to the very far right of your last tab window, and you see this tiny little box over here on the right, and if you hover over it, it will say New Tab. So if you want a new tab, you simply click that open, and it will take you to a new internet window tab. So from here, we want to find the Chrome Web Store. The Web Store is going to be where we find our extension application. And so to access that, you go over to the far left-hand corner over here. You see this word says Apps next to the icon, the 9-dot grid. Click that, and it's going to take you to your apps that you have. Now, you may have more or less than I do, and that's simply okay. The first icon you're always going to see is the web store. That's where we want to go. It's this little shopping bag or suitcase, whatever you want to call it. So go ahead and click the web store. We can access the Chrome web store. Now, when you're here, you can find all kinds of applications that you can find helpful when you're working with your students or creating documents or lessons for your class. You can find extensions, which we're going to do, or themes to pretty up your Chrome, Google email, Google Chrome web browser, etc. We're most concerned, let's go ahead and use the search, the store possibility, and let's just type in URL Shortener, and we want the extension, so be sure to click extension. Now, when we search, it's going to give you the top-rated applications and the top-rated extensions. We're concerned about extensions, so make sure you have extensions down here. And this is the URL shortener that I use best. I found it's most efficient, easiest to use. And so it's the goo.gl URL shortener. So in order to get that, you just simply go over here and click this little free button, the blue free button, click that. And it's going to come up with this little confirm your new extension. It's asking, can this be added to your account? And all you have to do is click add to say yes. So it's going to check through everything. Now you'll notice after it has been added, it's been also added as this tiny little icon up here next to your address URL. And so when you are working in a website, so say I'm going to go to the museum, that's the other website that I took you to today as your Technology Tuesday. Maybe this one is miles long. When you start getting into the different exhibits and etc., and these just start building as URLs and it's just too long for kids, all you have to do is whenever website you're working on, and that's the one you want to share, you simply just go over here to your little URL shortener icon. It's that little tool that's suppressing or condensing something. You click that, and Google is going to generate a shortened URL for you. It's right here. All you have to do is click on it, double click, and press Control-C for copy, or you can copy it down here, and then you can paste it on a document, you can paste it in email, paste it in Google Classroom announcement to share with your students. So rather than a long URL, you'll notice this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 12 characters long rather than upwards of 20 to 30. So that's how you insert the Google Chrome URL shortener extension. I hope you find this helpful. If you need some assistance, want me to help you do this one-on-one, just let me know. I'm happy to come and help. Otherwise, have a great day. Thank you.